Hey guys, Jason Guyman here with Christmas lights. Kind of looks scary, don't I? But today I want to show you a little troubleshooting here of how when a C9 bulb does not work very well anymore. But before I do that, please hit the subscribe button. I'd appreciate it very much. I am trying to get to 500 right now. I've got to 100. I'm trying to get to 500. Thanks for giving me to 100, whoever subscribed, but now I'm trying to get to 500. So, on these bulbs, sometimes they don't work. Sometimes you go to a house and you got one bulb out. One bulb. Or you go to your own house and you got one bulb out. So, this here is what you can do is what I always do is this one's now it's going to work for me. But what you can do is twist it all the way. Don't over twist it and then back it off a little bit. Twist it just a little bit more and then back it off. And a lot of times it will work. And see, now it's working. Let's see if this one. Yeah. And that's what'll do it. What happens is sometimes is inside here, I don't know if you're going to be able to see it, there's a little metal tab down in there. Don't stick your finger in there. It will light you up because there's a piece of metal on this side, which is the negative, which hits the bulb right here, and then on the bulb here is where the center tab goes down there. And what happens is sometimes is maybe corrosion has gotten on that bulb, so just by turning just a little bit and backing it up, you're actually removing that that corrosion or whatever it is. But again, don't over tighten it, and because that can cause an issue. Now, here's another issue we ran into last year, that we got wire and it wasn't good wire. So hopefully this year will be better. And what happens is when we're hanging these up there, it pulls this out, and that causing that to flash. So what you want to do is never let that wire hang on them bulbs. You want to make sure it does. But again, thank you for subscribing, and have a merry happy holidays, or Christmas, whatever, Hanukkah, I don't care. We do a little bit of both. So thank you and have a great day.